Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F34. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. At the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change display mode between light and dark. And we can schedule the dark mode. Then we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Next we can change motion smoothness of the screen between high and standard. Then we can enable eye comfort shield, schedule it and adjust its temperature. Then we can change screen mode between vivid and natural, adjust white balance and color of the screen. Then we can change font size and style, adjust screen zoom, enable full screen mode for apps, hide notch in apps, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, enable easy mode, smart sidebar, change navigation bar between buttons and swipe gestures, enable or disable accidental touch protection, touch sensitivity, show charging information and set screen saver. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.